My dear viewers, due to technical problem point of view, little bit late. Uh, I am going to start once again. Till yesterday's topic, we came to know what is acid, what is a base, and some other points also. Now today, how to find out the strength of an acid, whether it is a strong acid or strong base. Yesterday also you got it, but it is a little bit clarity point of view. I am giving more information regarding the strength of the acid here. Now, a substance which is dissolved in case of acid, if more hydrogen ions are released, that is a strong acid we discussed yesterday. But now, what I am going to say, after the acid is dissolved in distilled water, immediate release of hydrogen ions, that hydrogen ions are not going to exist long time. They will join with water molecule, they will form as here hydronium ions. They will form here hydronium ions. That means the substance which is releasing hydronium ions is called acid here. That actually it is hydrogen ions, but it is not existing long time. It is joining with another water molecule and forming hydronium ion. Hydronium ion. If any acid which is releasing more hydronium ions, that is a strong acid, less hydronium ions, that is a weak acid. For example, HCl is dissolved in water, it releases more hydronium ions, it is a strong acid. Now CH3COOH, this acid is releasing less number of hydronium ions, then it is a weak acid. And one important point regarding the what you call acetic acid, this weak acid, acetic acid, I am going to say, if the acetic acid is dissolved in 92% of the water, then we are going to consider as a vinegar. Vinegar is nothing but a substance which is having 8% of the acetic acid. Now comes the point of very important one, acid rain. Here, what is the meaning of acid rain? Means the rainwater, pH of the rainwater, pH of rainwater decreased to less than 5.6 pH. Less than 5.6 pH, then that rainwater is going to called as acid rain. That rain is called acid rain. Once again I am saying, what is acid rain means, whenever it is raining, the pH of the rainwater is less than 5.6. Less than 5.6, that is called acid rain. If this acid rain continuously flowing in the rivers and other lakes, the aquatic life is getting very problematic situation. Why? Because the water present in the lakes and rivers, pH value also will come down less than 5.6. Less than 5.6 pH is coming down means the acidity, the aquatic life cannot bear this kind of acidity nature. So all the aquatic life is going to die. So acid rain is very anti-environment condition. Now next is pH value. What is the use of the pH value in digestive system? Here immediately what I am going to say, in our digestive system, in our stomach hydrochloric acid is produced. And this is after 4 hours of keeping the stomach empty, the concentration of hydrochloric acid is becomes higher and higher. That occasion, the personality will get lot of problem, and then we will get lot of pain in the stomach, lot of irritation in the body, lot of pain and irritation if the concentration of hydrochloric acid is increased in our stomach. And this much of powerful acid, it won't affect our stomach. That is interesting point. And you may get one doubt, why that hydrochloric acid is not affecting, not harming anything to the stomach. Means the hydrochloric acid is, the stomach is protected by a mucus lining present in the stomach. Mucus lining is nothing, that is nothing but a semi-liquid substance which is not giving any chance to the hydrochloric acid to spoil our stomach structure. So that mucus lining of our body is protecting the concentration of HCl not to harm any sort for our stomach. So now, how to come down the acidic problem in the human body means we have to use magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide tablets, that is called antacid tablets. Antacid tablets you have to use, that is the magnesium hydroxide tablets, and we can call it these tablets also called as milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia. This is milk of magnesia is nothing but what we call magnesium hydroxide, MgOH. And that means this milk of magnesia is a base. And our stomach is having one acid. So whenever the strong base and the strong acid is reacting each other, automatically, yesterday you learned the neutralization. Neither the result, neither acid nor base, just is going to be salt and water. So in a salt and water point of view, everybody is going to be same. So now in our body, whenever you are taking the antacid tablet, immediately the acid reacting with the milk of magnesia, which is nothing but a base. The base, strong base and strong acid, both are going to react each other, and salt and water will come, and the pain and irritation in our body will come down due to this one. So we are safe. So the pH value shouldn't rise in our body, and lack of the some sort of the substances for digestion point of view, the HCl. Now the next is honeybee. I already told in my one of the video of my YouTube which is a dangerous honeybee or snake or something else. Means honeybee is more dangerous. Why honeybee is more dangerous means it is having the highest poison, and the whenever the honeybee is sting the human, the siphon pipe of the honeybee will breaks and stuck into the human body, and that will continuously the acid is going to be released, and the person will get even if the 10 honeybee at a time is biting the human, the person will die. He is going to die. And snake bite or honeybee, which is dangerous, means honeybee only dangerous more than the snake bite. And here the honeybee, whenever it is released, it releases one acid. That acid will give lot of irritation in our body. To come down this effect of the what I call problematic issue of the human, what to do immediately to get the relief means we have to take immediately the baking soda. If you are taking the baking soda and rubbing on the where we got the honeybee stings, in particular region. Suppose here you got the honeybee stings and take the baking powder and rub it on this side, and the honeybee irritation, the honeybee bite irritation and stings, everything will come down and you will be relieved. Now come to the point of very important topic now, chloroalkali process. What is the importance of chloroalkali process? I am going to explain. This is a very important for your examination point of view. You take care of this chloroalkali process. First of all, what is the chloroalkali process means? You have to take one sodium chloride. Sodium chloride means you take one salt, and after certain occasion you are going to find three products. One is you are going to get sodium hydroxide, second one is chlorine, third one is hydrogen. This brine is nothing but salt solution. Another name of the salt solution is brine, B-R-I-N-E. You may get small question also. What is a brine means? A salt solution is called brine. This brine is reacted, heated. You are getting three products. One is sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen. Here, these three products are so much important in our lifetime. In our daily life, it is so much important. Now we can see, first of all, this one, what I am doing, I am taking the salt and adding water in one iron tank and I am supplying the current. This process is undergoing electrolysis. Electrolysis, that means dividing. This electrolysis is going on. In this electrolysis process, the products are here: hydrogen gas, chlorine gas, and NaOH, sodium hydroxide. And these three products we are getting on the electrolysis of brine solution. This process name is called chloroalkali process, because here is chlorine is playing an important role and hydrogen is playing another important, base is playing one more important role. The base is called, so the solution of the base is called alkali and the chlorine is taking important role. So chloroalkali process, the three results: hydrogen gas and chlorine and sodium hydroxide. In this hydrogen gas, what purpose we can use? This gas sometimes used as fuel. In fuel in certain process, and also fertilizer formation point of view. And next is chlorine. Chlorine is a disinfectant to clean the water. Disinfectant point of view, this will be used, this chlorine. And to prepare the PVC pipes, polyvinyl chloride pipes, and also CFC, chlorofluorochlorination, chlorofluorocarbons, CFC, chlorofluorocarbons, PVC means PVC pipes. You can see the electrical point of view we will use. The preparation of the PVC pipes and preparation of the CFC also we are going to utilize it. And then water treatment purpose also chlorine is very important. To kill all kinds of germs in water, for drinking purpose point of view, the chlorine is very important. And this is at anode. This is at anode. Because of this electrolysis process, two electrodes will be there. One is anode, another one is cathode. Near cathode, what you are going to get? Hydrogen gas. At electrode cathode, hydrogen gas, and at anode you are getting chlorine gas, and again at cathode you are getting sodium hydroxide. You are getting sodium hydroxide at cathode. That means near cathode, two things you are getting here. One is sodium hydroxide, another one is hydrogen. So here at anode, you are getting only chlorine. The chlorine purpose already came to know PVC and CFC point of view, and here and paper making point of view, this sodium hydroxide is most important, and then chlorination point of view, PVC and CFC and hydrogen. These three products, two products are getting at cathode, one product is getting at anode. We will discuss about the. Now comes to the point of the bleaching powder. And how to prepare, first of all, we will go for how to prepare the bleaching powder means we go for one slat line, CaOH taken twice, and we are chlorinating this slat line, and we are getting bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride plus hydrogen gas. Calcium oxychloride and hydrogen gas. So here, after preparation of this bleaching powder, how many places we are going to use it means cotton and linen industries, we will use this bleaching powder. Cotton and linen industries in textiles, and bleaching of wood pulp, that means in the preparation of cricket bats and other wooden articles point of view, the wood would be so stronger means it has to be diluted for a long while in the wood pulp, and then in paper industry also this bleaching powder is very most important. In paper industry also bleaching powder is most important situation. So now finally this bleaching powder also very important role in the preparation of chloroform. Chloroform. What is the chloroform is? During the operation, personality, the patient shouldn't get any kind of the painful effect point of view. They will give anesthesia. The anesthesia only we can call chloroform. The formula is CHCl3. We can call it as a trichloromethane. We call it as a trichloromethane, the chloroform. This is the anesthesia point of view. In the operations, they will prepare it. See how big use this bleaching powder is in cotton industries and linen industries, in the textile point of view, and in the preparation of the cricket bats and all the things as wood pulp point of view, and in the paper industry also, and especially in the operations point of view, we need what you call chloroform. This is the anesthetic substance that is called CHCl3, trichloromethane, we call chemical name. This trichloromethane is a very important gift from the scientist, and so this much of big use we have in the bleaching powder. And come to the point of here, use of the baking soda, I'm going to say a bit here. What is the use of baking soda means? I'm taking the baking soda. Baking soda is nothing but sodium hydrogen carbonate, NHCO3, or you can say sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, or we can call sodium bicarbonate. When we heat this one, the symbol for heating is delta. When we heat this one, we are going to get Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. In this, the main aim of the scientist to perform this heating test for this baking soda is to produce the carbon dioxide. The main motto of this experiment is heating of this baking soda. The main content what we need, carbon dioxide. If the carbon dioxide is developed when we put certain quantity of in any bread making mixture or cake making mixture, whenever the bread making mixture or cake making mixture, this baking soda is dropped or used, immediately bubbling of dough, bubbling of dough develops. That means the whatever the content will be raises lot. Its volume is more increases because of the carbon dioxide plays an important role, loosens the everything substance, and it becomes a spongy and smoothie and very spongy. The substance is too spongy and we feel comfortable to eat both bread as well as cakes. So like this, and in the last one, now comes the point of here, washing soda. This is one important thing. What we need for this one means we need one sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, and we add 10 molecules of water. You are getting washing soda, that is Na2CO3 10H2O. This is the formula of washing soda. Na2CO3 10H2O is the formula of washing soda. This washing soda is nothing but the main content of the every washing soaps. And what is the use? Everybody knows it, but mainly some people don't know. This washing soda also used in the glass preparation industries also, and soap preparation industries we know very well because of washing soda, and paper industry also, and in the preparation of borax, the powder which is used in the playing of the carom board, borax, that is a B2H2 formula. These many industries, these many uses you having the different compounds of this what you call washing soda and so on. So I feel it so it is a too comfort to see any doubts you're having, any things you're having, you come back with me and with all the doubts. So in the next episode with the good topics I will come back in both physics and chemistry, and thank you for watching once again.